interactive art and the power of communication through art and play. So firstly, what is interactive art and how can it be used as a tool for communication? Interactive art can be found in many forms. Generally, it is something that either encourages audience participation or immersion. For example, Matty Braun's piece, Ghostlog. The installation was made up of giant stepping stones cut from a felled tree, and the gallery floor was then flooded with water, taking the audience away from the standard art gallery experience and instead encouraging them to leap and jump through the space. Interactivity is also found in the form of buttons and cranks to be pressed and moved, like in a science museum, or it can be found via electronic sensors that can react to an audience's presence in different ways, via motion or noise. An example of this kind of interactive art is Rusty Squid's The Book Hive from 2013. It was an installation of 400 animatronic books that opened and closed like butterfly wings. They were housed in a large wooden honeycomb structure, giving the illusion of a hive. It was situated in the atrium of Bristol Central Library, and their behaviour would be influenced by people entering the library. The movement of the books would change from slow and closed to opening and fluttering as people waved, triggering the senses and engaging more with the piece. It had a really emotional reaction from the audience and was a beautiful spectacle to see as these inanimate objects came to life. I've put some links to other interactive artworks and talks about playful design in the notes, so please go and have a look at them. I hope you have experienced artworks like this too. Maybe take some time to think on what interactive artworks you have experienced and enjoyed, and ask questions about them. What emotions did they cause you to experience? Were they abstract? Did they have a message? And if so, how did that message come across to you? Were you more open to the idea because of how it was delivered to you? As I began working as an artist, I found that the projects that excited me the most were the ones that combined elements of play, education, and communication, and how this combination was effective in engaging audiences. An example of this is Silk Stockings and Social Ladders, the board game I made with fellow artist and long-term collaborator, Katie Hood. This commission from the National Trust gave us the opportunity to research the ideology of combining play and education further. We have come to believe that people are more open to new ideas and viewpoints when they are relaxed and enjoying themselves, and this is often the case when playing. We find that play makes for a more inclusive and engaging experience for our audiences.